What the heck is going on? Hey, you know what? I'm not gonna worry about it. That is unusual. Very weird things are happening. But Elsa, we're gonna move it forward. So you know what? We haven't done this in a while, Michael. Let's let me go someplace for a minute. I'm going someplace here. It won't even take long, Michael. Okay, I think we can do this. Yes. All right, so let's go back to my. Okay, so now let's go back to my paper. There we go. Okay, folks. This is E59E4. This is for the whiteboard. Can we go there, please? Remember whiteboard.fi, Erica? You remember that? All right. So we're going to here's what we're going to do, Michael. We're going to review some things today and on Monday. And then we'll give the final on Wednesday. That's the plan. Got it, everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
Awesome. So let's see who is in the whiteboard. Thank you, Michael. You popped up on the whiteboard, but no one else. I don't know where Erica is or Jaime.
What? Oh.
See, there's Mark. Where is okay, Erica's finally there. Where's Elsa and Jaime? Where are the others? Where's Damilola? Where's Destiny? Where's Olu? I only see 3 people in the whiteboard room. I would like everybody else. Come on, everybody. Do you not see this? This is E59E4. E59E4. Thank you, Elsa. Where's everybody else? I'm going to wait a little bit longer. I'm waiting for Olu, Destiny. Who else? Jaime. What's the deal? Mark's there. Morris, let's go here, right here. Olu. Come on, folks. What is the situation? All right, there's Destiny. Where is Olu? Jaime, Jaime, where are you? Jaime. Jaime.
Yes, I'm inside the whiteboard.
Let me see. Okay, you are now. Yes, that just happened, Jaime. That just happened.
Okay.
That just happened, man. Okay. You know what? I can't wait around for everybody to keep doing this. This is not supposed to be a big deal. This whiteboard is supposed to be easy. So here we go. We're moving forward, Michael. So on the whiteboard, I want to see you work this. I want to see the answer to this. I want you to graph. No, nope. I want you to solve first. Then graph. Then I.N. Remember what the I.N stands for, Erica? Erica?
You said what?
Do you remember what the I.N stands for?
No, can you remind me?
Michael, what does that stand for?
Interval notation.
There you go.
I didn't think about that. Sorry.
All right, Kathy, welcome aboard. So here's the whiteboard code, Kathy. Feel free to chime in and let's work this out. I want three things that I want to see on the whiteboard. I want to solve, I want the graph, and interval notation. That's what I'm looking for. We might do a couple of these, Michael, just to remember how to do this.
That's 6y or 64?
6y, 6y. 6y, yes, sir. So you may have missed the game plan, Kathy. I'm going to explain it once more, which is we're going to review today, Friday. We're going to review on Monday, and we're giving a final on Wednesday. Understand, everybody?
Yes.
This is the whiteboard for everybody. I want to see your name there as well, Kathy, and I want to see some answers very soon. Right now, they are blank. The whiteboards are blank. So we'll wait a few more minutes. All right, Kathy joined in. Olu refuses to join in. Who else is not doing it? Who just doesn't want to do it? Damilola doesn't want to do it. Morgs doesn't want to. Okay. Free country. You're not gonna make
I'm on the whiteboard.
Morris. Oh, yep, you are Morris. I'm sorry. Yes, you are Morris. Okay, Erica, now let's work it out, shall we? Okay, we have an answer. But try it again, Kathy. Take it from the top.
I miss.
Take
I
it
see what
from-
I did.
Okay, good. Okay, Mark is trying to get something going. Michael is, I hope he's still with us. His whiteboard did something funny. Morris, waiting for something. Jaime, it's a blank whiteboard. Right? Jaime, it's blank, right, Jaime? Jaime doesn't want to answer that. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, Kathy, that is much better. That is so much better. Jaime, need you to try it again. Try it again, Jaime. Kathy had to try it again. Once Kathy did it again, she got it. Elsa is looking like she's going to be successful. Thank you, Erica White. So how about this, Kathy? Why don't you go to a new whiteboard, show me the graph, and then show me the interval notation. You too, Erica. Okay, that's good, Elsa. Let's now go to a new whiteboard, hit a plus
You
sign.
said you what? Oh shoot.
Come on, Erica, you keep missing things I'm saying.
My
I know
bad.
that.
I always
trying to
love
push
hearing
you.
that.
You
That
said
makes
what?
my entire day.
I keep having to repeat myself, Erica. What's up with that?
I think so.
I'm a big Harry Potter fan. That's all I can say.
What's
Me
Harry Potter
too.
got to do with this?
Because my phone rang and I was trying to ask you a question. What did you say again?
See what I mean?
I didn't mean it.
I've been noticing the last few times.
Did you say use a different board that did a graph and a
Yeah,
little
yep,
notation?
that is what I said. See, you hear what I'm
Oh,
saying?
my bad. Alright.
You're the only one that keeps saying that. Let's see, Morris. That is, that's very close, Morris. I'm glad we're going over this. Where is Michael's? Waiting for Michael's.
I'm following along. I'm here.
Following along. I don't quite get what that means. Well, let me rephrase that. Are you working it out?
Yeah, I'm trying. I'm here.
Okay. Elsa, hey, Elsa. Now, just shade it in the correct direction. There you go, Elsa. Right. And then give me the interval notation. You got to shade it in the right way, Kathy. That's better, Jaime. Yes. So, can you give me the graph, Jaime? The graph and the notation.
I think I got
Three-part
it.
question. Going the wrong way, Kathy.
I always have trouble with this piece.
Listen, you're gonna have to get this straightened out. You got a couple of days to get this straightened out. Why? I wonder why that is, Kathy.
I get confused with the arrows. I have trouble with the greater than equal to.
Can anybody give some type of clear explanation for Kathy as far as the arrows, the inequalities go? Anybody?
If it's going this, oh crap, that was a bad example.
That was a bad example.
If it was. If it's going left, it's less than, and if it's going right, it's greater than.
It depends on where the variable is, though, isn't it?
Well, yeah.
If it's a
Well,
negative,
then if it's
it'll go
going,
left, and if it's positive, it'll go to the
Yeah.
right.
there you go.
Was that helpful, Kathy?
No,
That was more.
not at all. Okay.
Oh,
Which arrow is less than?
okay. We're
The
gonna
one
have,
going
Open to the left
your
or
left.
open to the right?
as soon as I see
Open to
something,
your left.
as soon as I see something on Michael's whiteboard, we'll work it out
Why do I
together.
gotta
But
keep
let me
Open to
see
your left.
Michael's whiteboard first.
Your left.
Open
That
open to
way.
the left.
That's so bad.
Wait. As soon as Michael puts something down, we can proceed.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, you do.
Less, greater.
Okay, so at least Michael put something down. Thank you. Jeez. Okay, fine. Sure. So I got something. So we are about to work this out. So
Alligators are bigger than crocodiles.
No.
No, can we
alligators
just can I
bigger
have
than
like three
crocodiles.
more?
That's an
Can
interesting
I have like 3 more
analogy.
seconds? Please, can I have like 3 more seconds?
Well,
That's how I'm gonna have to remember it. Alligators are bigger than crocodiles.
Erica, you do know that's 3 seconds right there. You know that, don't you?
No, it was not. Start now. I gotta get this real quick. Okay. Because I wrote the wrong graph.
Chicken
Yeah.
to deal with y'all.
Okay, listen. Michael is waiting patiently.
Okay.
Michael, what'd you write?
That's okay. You
first?
guys go ahead.
Give me the first line here, Michael. Michael? Okay. Erica, give me the first line here.
Okay. My mic wasn't on, sorry. 6. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah.
Sorry. Well, you gotta remove the parentheses, so I just put the problem down.
Tell me what I'm supposed to
6y.
write down, Erica.
Sorry, 6y minus 8y plus 3.
No, it's minus 3.
I mean, sorry, I had to go. I gotta keep switching back and forth.
Do we understand this is? Do we understand why this is minus 3?
Distributive property?
Yes. And do we know why this is minus 3 with the distributed property? Do we know why this is minus 3, Erica?
Because it's a negative in front of the
You said,
parentheses.
do you know what?
All right, Destiny. We'll go along with that. We'll go along with that. All right, Destiny. What's the next line? Give me the next line, Destiny.
Is it gonna be -1y?
Close.
-2y.
Thank you. What else?
It's gonna be greater or equal to.
Well, let me bring down a
I'm
-3.
sorry, it's gonna be -3 greater than equals to -9.
Thank you. Keep going, Olu.
So it's gonna be -2y
Go ahead.
greater than or less than -9 plus 3.
Okay, so we adding the 3. Good. Okay, so that's going to end up being -6.
Yeah. So divide by 2, -2.
Keep going, Olu.
Then y less than equal to 3.
So let's pause right there. So please remember this, that for inequalities, when we divide by a negative, which we did here, this inequality changes. Somebody forgot to do that. Somebody forgot to do that. So Kathy, you know how this is supposed to be graphed now?
Yes.
How do you graph it, Kathy?
With the dot shaded in and the arrow going to the left
Why is it going to the left, Kathy?
because it's less than or equal to 3.
So Kathy, let me ask you this question.
Mm-hmm.
Do you see this, what I just put in the box?
Yes.
Which way do I shade this?
To the right. It's going to be shaded above the 3 and going towards the right.
Going where? Kathy, do you hear my question?
Isn't it the same thing?
It's the same.
No.
It is the same thing. Do you understand the question I'm asking, Kathy? Maybe not.
No.
Look, we
Not a clue.
read the answers from the variable. Meaning, this says y is less than equal to 3, and this says y is less than equal to 3.
So basically, it's just like flipping the places and signs. Okay, I can work with this.
Okay, let's work with that. And let's see, we haven't heard from Jaime at all. Jaime, what is this interval notation?
Bracket.
Bracket? I disagree.
Yeah.
Bracket?
Minus.
Wait.
Yeah, no, bro. Bracket. Yeah, not square bracket. Just bracket
Wait.
minus.
What did we? Wait, you said not a square bracket, correct? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
So instead of saying not a square bracket, what should we say?
Oh. I mean, it's a bracket.
Wait a minute.
Oh, parentheses. Okay, thank you.
Parentheses, yes.
Yeah.
Okay, parentheses. That is your not square bracket. Parentheses,
Yeah.
yes. Go ahead.
Negative infinity, comma, 3, now square bracket.
Okay, that's fine. Thank you. Good. Did others get the same? Nobody else did the end of the notation except for Elsa.
Yeah, so you told me I got it wrong.
I did it.
I don't see an interval notation, Erica. Only one I see is Elsa.
It's on my next page.
Well, I don't see your next page. Where's your next page? Show me your next page.
What? It's right here.
Okay,
I'm
I
about to
see that.
screenshot it and show it to you.
No, I see it now,
Look
but
like,
I
oh,
saw the
you
graph
see
on
it?
your page. I didn't see the other thing on your page.
Oh, you should have been looking closer.
I was
My
looking
bad.
close, as close as I could. Thanks.
You're a sassy boy.
We're going on. We're doing another example with Grafenheim. Look alive, please.
Oh, God.
All right, let's try this. Absolute value.
Oh, God.
Okay, let's see this. Same thing. I want you to solve it. I want a graph. I want interval notation. Let's see that. Whiteboard. Let's see it on the whiteboard. I want everybody to write something down, Michael. We're going to let everybody write something down, Michael, and class. We are. Let me clear out the whiteboards. This is the last step up there. I'm gonna clear everybody's out. I want nice fresh screens. Okay, can we see this one worked out, everybody? Please. Right here, this one. Absolute value inequality. You asked it and you see it in the stats class. Yes, you'll see inequalities in the stats class. You see it for hypothesis testing and confidence intervals. So that's towards the end of the course. Hypothesis testing, confidence intervals. What's on the whiteboard is nothing. Wait a minute, Mark has trying to get something on the whiteboard. Anybody else besides Mark? Is Mark the only one? What's Kathy doing?
Kathy's confused.
Kathy's confused. I don't see anything on Jaime's or Olu's, Destiny's, Elsa, Erica, Michael, Morris, nothing.
I forgot.
But Mark is trying something. Oh, Mark, change the direction of that second inequality. I know you heard me, Mark. Okay, Michael, that's how it is. That's how it is. Okay, well, that's something. Thank you. Or maybe that was the old one, Michael. I couldn't tell. Okay, that's a new one. Then. All right, Michael. Let's hear from Kathy. Nothing there. So, look, Kathy, if you are clueless, I want to put a question mark on your whiteboard. Tell me something.
It's not letting me.
That you know you broke up. I didn't hear what you said.
It's not letting me connect to the whiteboard.
Really?
It's not.
Okay, then you can go ahead and text me a picture of your work. Then, Kathy, how's that?
That I can do.
Because I must admit, I was having a few technical issues right before class. I was able to kind of get it straightened out. Had to go to a plan B, but luckily the plan B did work. Getting something from Jaime, getting something from Mark, something from Elsa, something from Morris. Well, Jaime went right to the end of the notation. I have no idea how you got that answer, Jaime. Well, you know what? We'll find out, right, Jaime? I have no idea how you got that answer. What can I say? Oh, but hey, but you know what? That's the right answer. I must say that's the right answer, Jaime. I gotta admit that. Hey, that looks good, Elsa.
Thank you.
Okay, I got that, Erica. Let's see what Kathy just sent. Let's see.
Kathy's confused.
Kathy's confused.
Hey, I'm back in. Good.
Hey, well, you're 1/3 of the way there, Kathy.
Yeah, you can understand why I'm confused.
Uh, let's see. Okay, so we're gonna work it out right now.
Mm,
So for absolute values, once you have the absolute value isolated, which this is, what you are supposed to do is this. Split up into two parts. Anybody remember that? Well, no.
I was
People did
kind of
remember
thinking
that.
about it, but I didn't remember.
You split up into two parts. One positive, one negative. And when you split them up, you change the direction of the inequality also.
I think I got
What'd you say, Kathy?
I think I got it. Maybe, hopefully.
Hopefully. Hopefully. Let's say hopefully.
Okay.
So we work this out.
Okay.
We add the 4 here. We get the 2x less than 16. So one answer we get is x less than 8. There's one answer. Here we add 4. We get 2x greater than negative 8. Divide by 2, we get x greater than negative 4. So those are our two answers. So any questions on this part? So this is the first part. Any questions on that first part? Anybody? Michael, you got a question on that?
No.
Erica?
No.
Okay. So the graph, -4, 0, 8. X less than 8. So that is an open circle to the left because that's less than. X greater than -4. That's an open circle greater than is to the right because it's greater than. What do you notice about this picture, this graph? What do you notice?
And same.
What's that,
It
Elsa?
overlaps.
They overlap. They overlap. Yes, they overlap right here. So that means that is your answer, where they overlap. So there's your
Trying to remember that.
solution. There's your graph. There's your notation because the overlap is the where you put the end of notation at. Got it, Michael?
Yes.
You too, Erica?
Yes.
I guess that sounded convincing, right?
No.
That's correct. Did not sound convincing, but what can we do? What can we do about that?
It's fine. I just had to like remember.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Mm-hmm. We're moving on, Michael. Since we are moving on, let's try a division problem. Let's try this division problem. I'm hopeful that someone will remember how to do this division problem. So, having said that, let's see your answers on the whiteboard. How does that sound? Sounds good. Man, it looks like everybody's whiteboard is acting funny. Oh, you know what's going on? Because it's raining kind of heavy where I'm at, that's causing me a few technical issues. Maybe others are having. Is it raining where you are, Erica?
No, Mike.
Yeah.
Is that a yes?
Yes, it was.
Yeah, a few technical problems with the weather. Jaime, what's going on? You write anything down, Jaime? You trying it, Jaime?
Yeah, not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
All right, man. Look. Anybody else? Mark, keep quiet. Mike, because that can't be the same. Like that's something you haven't tried it yet, right, Michael? Is that it? So that's a good first step, Erica. Keep going, Ilsa. What am I hearing? Somebody's doing something weird.
Might be on my end.
Yeah, I think so. Let's mute you for a second. Yep, it was Kathy. Wait a minute, no, it wasn't Kathy. Oh, maybe it's
Yay.
Elsa.
Oh God.
Yeah, it was Elsa.
Wow.
Wow, I think I owe Kathy an apology there.
Nah, I thought it was me too because they're cutting down a tree on my end.
Or it come down a tree.
As long as they don't touch my holly berry tree, we're good.
Hey, keep going, Elsa. That is nice. I don't see anybody else. I see Erica has something, but nobody else. I see Elsa and Erica, nobody. Oh, wait a minute, Mark. Mark's showing some signs. I'll take that back, Mark. Said we made a faux pas, Mark. Can we get Jaime with something? Or Michael with something? Or Olu with something? Hey, Kathy has the correct answer. That's nice.
I'm gonna give myself a cookie.
And she even has the right answer on the whiteboard, even. Where's Jaime and Michael, Morris, and Olu? Jaime, are you still there? Jaime, are you still there? Jaime's really answering my question. Okay.
Yeah, I'm still here.
Okay, jeez. All right, so hopefully is Olu still there? Is Michael still there? Is Morris still there?
Yes, Professor.
You don't see me writing in this whiteboard.
Is that Morris talking?
Yes.
I do not. I don't see Michael writing down anything either. Elsa, good job. See, I like that. I like that, Elsa. Solid. Okay, look, we gotta keep it moving, Michael. So, in this problem, what you are supposed to do first, Jaime, when we are dividing two fractions, Jaime, you are supposed to change division to multiplication, Jaime, And then you are supposed to invert the second fraction. So there's your first step. Division becomes multiplication, and this second fraction you invert. Now I'm going to factor what I can. Factor what I can. So how do you factor this numerator, Michael? This one? Michael? No? Okay, Mark, how do you factor this numerator, Mark? Mark.
So it's gonna be 2 bracket x plus 2.
Thank you, Olu, because Mark didn't want to say anything. So thanks for stepping up for Mark. Maybe Mark can talk about this one. What about this one, Mark? Mark,
So you
yes.
break down the 2x plus 6 to like 2 parentheses x plus 3.
Thank you. You want to do this bottom, Mark, or should I call somebody else?
No, I can do it. Then that becomes 8 parentheses x plus 2.
Okay, that's good. What's next, Olu? Olu? Morris? Jaime? Michael? Mark? Jaime?
Yeah, leave us as it is, I'm not,
Leave this as it is?
yeah.
No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. Okay, Mark, go ahead.
So
Okay, Olu, go ahead.
you're gonna flip it
We
the
already
other
did.
side. Okay, we already did.
Yes.
So the x plus 2 cuts the x plus, yes.
Those two cancel out. Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Then the x plus 3 and the x plus 3
Those
cancel out.
cancel out. Yes. So what would I write over here, Olu?
Oh, 2 times 2, 4.
Yes. What else, Jaime?
Oh, I mean, 2 times 2.
Yeah, I got it right
Take
here.
a step away.
What else? What else, Jaime?
Oh,
What
oh,
else?
okay. So x times 8. I mean 8. 4 over 8.
Okay. Yes. 8. Yes.
Yeah.
So, Jaime, do you know what Kathy wrote for the final answer? Jaime?
2. Yeah. I mean 2 over 4.
That's not what Kathy wrote for the final answer, Jaime.
Oh,
Yeah, it's
One
gonna be
half.
2. 1 over 2.
That is what Kathy wrote, 1/2. Jaime, hello?
yes, Professor.
She wrote 1/2. She didn't write 2 over 4.
Okay.
I wrote that in the whiteboard. You said I didn't do it.
I didn't see it, Morris. I still, wait a minute. Oh, wow. I see it now, Morris. My goodness, look at that. Wow, Morris. You know what? It might be on a time delay. I see it crystal clear, Morris. Thanks. That's real good, Morris. Now, here's what I want to show you on next. Or any questions on that? Any questions on that? So here's how it's going to work. Unless you are asking me a question, I may assume there is no question. I'm going to keep on rolling on these things. So if you don't stop me, we're going to keep on keeping on. Got it, Jaime? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. All right. So here is a problem that someone did not do well on the exam 3. This caused a problem for somebody. You know who you are. Now, for those who did okay with this, let's copy this down and let's talk about this. Let's talk about how we would do this with verbal steps. So, seeing this problem, what would you do first with this, Mark?
Don't you do +3 on both sides or +2?
Oh, that's very close. That is very close. We're going to do something with that too. What are we going to do with that too, Kathy?
I don't know.
Okay. All right. Elsa, what are we going to do with that too?
Subtract both sides.
Okay, we're going to subtract the 2 to both sides first. The idea, Kathy, is to isolate this radical. So the first step to isolating the radical is to subtract 2 to both sides. So after we subtract 2 to both sides, what do you think we would do next then, Morris?
Simplify.
Remove the radical on the left side.
How about we remove the radical on the left side, Morris? Thanks for your input there, Jaime, but I was trying to get Morris that particular time. However, Jaime, feel free to chime in right now. What would you do
Square
next,
both
Jaime?
sides.
That is very close. That is very close, Jaime. Even though it was Morris that said that, very good. So listen, first thing we're
Divide
going to,
negative on both sides.
say it again, Elsa.
We have to divide both sides by -1 because it's
Yes,
negative.
yes. So I'm going to combine what, I'm going to combine the 2 things that Elsa said. First thing we're going to do is subtract 2 to both sides. Then we're going to divide 1 to both sides. And then we're going to raise each side to the power equal to the root index and solve.
So is it like -1?
Mhm.
So is what
To
negative
square
1?
root? Well, you said you had to move. What you say?
Never mind, Erica. It's okay.
I can't hear you.
Why? What is that? Why is that?
I don't know. My mic. I guess it's my mic. I guess it be coming in a little slow.
It's not just
So
you.
you don't hear what I'm saying either, Kathy?
You're coming in broken.
Wow. I guess it's my weather technical difficulties continuing today. So anyway, we're gonna do what Elsa said. We're gonna subtract 2 to both sides first. Cancel that. So that's -1 square root x minus 3 equals -2. Who remembers what Elsa said next, please?
Divide by 1.
Divide, not by 1, divide by -1.
-1.
That'll cancel those.
She's supposed to be the same.
So that'd be x minus 3 square root equals 2. Then what do we do, please?
Square both
Square
sides of
both
the
sides.
equation.
Thank you. What's the next line? What is down here? What is this?
X minus 3
Minus
equals
3
4.
equals 4.
Good. Next.
+3.
X equals 4 plus 3.
Final answer.
7.
X equals 7. 7.
Why
7.
would you have to
Thanks.
do that?
So for radical equations. Let's make sure our answer is correct. We're going to check this real fast simply by putting this answer in the original equation. So I'm going to make this 7 minus 3. Does that equal 0? That's the main question. So this is 4, square root of 4. This is 2 minus, this would be 2. And 0 does equal 0, so that's fine. So there is a radical equation that we solved. Any questions? Okay, here's another problem that I saw that somebody was getting wrong on the last test that we had. They just kind of started, then they just quit. Imagine that. You start a problem, you kind of get the hang of it, then you just stop. You just stop. That's it.
I remember that question.
Absolutely stops. I'm like, oh.
I will admit stopping that ship.
Oh, that was you, Kathy? Really?
And that was me, I'll admit it.
Yeah,
It's like, screw that. It looked weird.
I wasn't going to mention names, but yep.
I don't mind admitting when I'm wrong.
So, shall we ask Mike how to start this? Okay. Can we ask Morris how to start this?
FOIL method.
Okay, FOIL method. Keep going, Michael. Start us off.
7 times 7.
So what am I writing down?
Radical 7.
7 plus the radical of 14.
Wait. No. What should I write down next?
If you going on.
Say it again, Elsa.
Radical 7.
Wait a minute. What did you say, Elsa? Did you say something
49.
else?
49.
Okay, 49 here first. So when we multiply those, they're both in the radical. So this will be radical 49. We'll get to 7 after but first things first. Plus sign. Kathy, what do you think we should write next?
Square root of 14.
Okay, awesome. That's those
And
two.
that's where I ended it.
Right. What should be next, Mark?
Oh, that's 15 over with the square root of 14.
Okay, yes, thank you. Outstanding, Mark. Look.
Okay, can you explain how we do that one?
I'm about to do that right now. Yes, hold on. I'm about to do that right now. So we're multiplying these two, Kathy, right?
Mm-hmm.
15 is outside of the radical, correct?
Mm-hmm.
And there's nothing outside the radical here. So that's like 15 stays outside the radical. The 2 is inside. The 7 is inside. So the numbers inside the radical multiply and they stay inside the radical.
Okay. Okay.
This 15 is outside the radical. It stays outside the radical. You got that, Kathy?
Can you move the paper down a little bit?
Kathy, you got this?
Yes.
All right, now you heard it say yes. So what should I write over here next, Kathy?
15 square root of 4.
Yes, very good. Yes. Okay, Olu, Olu's gone.
Just one more time. Can you just explain it one more time?
What happened to Olu?
Yeah.
You multiply, that 7 is in a radical, that
Oh,
7
it's
is in
12.
a radical, right?
Yeah.
So therefore, 49 is in the radical. 7 is in the radical, 2 is in the radical, 14 is in the radical. Enter the 2 is in the radical, 7 is in the radical, 14 is in the radical. This 15 is outside the radical, so the 15 stays outside of the radical. Then when we multiply the outers here and here, 15 is outside the radical, it stays outside the radical. These two and this two inside the radical, multiply, they stay inside the radical. Or lose back. Okay, this line right here. What should go here, Michael? Let's hear it. No, Mark, let's hear it. What goes here, Mark? Or Michael? Or Jaime? Or, no, or Kathy?
7 plus the square root of 14 plus 15 to the square root of 14.
Wait a minute. We have a name for these right here. We call these like what?
Terms?
Okay,
terms?
like terms. Okay, we call those like or like
I
radical.
thought we couldn't add those because of it not having 15 in front of it.
These
Yeah, I
Am I
thought
right?
it just stayed the radical of 14. Or
wait a
do
minute.
it?
We
What?
I'm confused. In which case, I'm just gonna
Wait,
call it 15 to
hold
the
it.
square root of 28.
Wait,
I thought it was
stop. Wait a second. Kathy, are you listening? You watching this,
I'm
Kathy?
listening.
I got confused.
Kathy, what is this plus? What are these two together?
Like terms?
And they equal what, please?
16x?
Okay, what you do here, please? Okay.
16 to the square root of 14?
Thank you.
God, do that to me again.
This coefficient is 15. This coefficient is a 1. Add the coefficients. The radical stays the same. What's next, Kathy?
30?
Good. That's 15 times 2, because the square root of 4 is 2. What's the final answer, Kathy?
37 plus 16 to the square root of 14?
Isn't that nice?
No. Don't do it again.
Nice, Kathy. Very nice. Yeah. Okay, peoples. I'm gonna give y'all a break until 4:10.
Thank you.
4:10. Got it? 4:10. Got it? Good.